We said, there must be a better way. We need to provide the flexibility of carless intermodal technology with the simplicity and ruggedness of conventional railroad equipment. In merging the best of both worlds, the result was RailRunner.
Welcome to RailRunner. RailRunner represents a new evolution of intermodal transportation based on a unique carless equipment design. Because of its speed, simplicity, and versatility, RailRunner can bring the benefits of intermodal transportation to many markets where highway trucking has been the only feasible transportation option. RailRunner holds particular promise for container shipments traveling 200 to 500 miles between ports, double-stack hubs, major metropolitan areas, or large manufacturing sites. RailRunner is a system of modified highway trailers and/or chassis connected by intermodal rail vehicles. The intermodal rail vehicles, referred to as IRVs, are fitted with air springs which lift the highway tires clear of the rails. The air springs also provide a load-sensitive air-cushioned ride and a compliant suspension.
RailRunner will revolutionize container transport by bringing together trucking and railroads to provide seamless service to the shipper.
RailRunner eliminates the need for costly rail terminal equipment, including expensive cranes and large forklifts. The RailRunner system is easy to operate and provides an orderly and time-saving method of transferring semi-trailers or container chassis from road to rail and rail to road. RailRunner IRVs coupled with container chassis can be used to expedite the loading and unloading of container vessels. This reduces port congestion and vessel turnaround time. The RailRunner intermodal rail vehicle does the work. It consists of a rail truck with 2 single-axle lower frames that allow radial steering to be incorporated into the design. Radial steering reduces wear on the wheel sets, which can translate into 30 to 40% longer wheel life.
The design facet that stands out the most is RailRunner's simplicity.
The highway vehicle requires only minor modifications, minimizing additional costs and extra weight. The RailRunner system uses identical lightweight receivers on the front and rear of the intermodal trailers. No heavy castings, coupler tongues, or air ride suspensions are required. A RailRunner trailer or chassis weighs and costs about the same as a conventional highway trailer or chassis. RailRunner trailers can be coupled from front to front, rear to rear, or front to rear, unlike other carless intermodal technology being promoted today. This unique coupling system allows the RailRunner train to run in either direction. The following demonstration will show the simplicity of the RailRunner system. The driver lifts the lightweight bumper and locks it in the up position. The RailRunner trailer or chassis is then backed onto a RailRunner rail vehicle. IRV's integral loading ramp aligns the trailer or chassis to the coupler tongue and lifts the highway wheels off the track. RailRunner's coupling system eliminates excessive scuffing of trailer or chassis tires. The coupler pin is engaged. The air lines connected, the air springs are inflated, lifting the highway vehicle to rail running height. The safety control is locked and the train is ready to depart. The speed of train makeup and breakup is a key feature of RailRunner's unique technology. Train segments can be moved in the rail yard by the yard tractor rather than by locomotives. The RailRunner intermodal system has significant advantages over other carless intermodal systems. RailRunner places the weight and capital expenditures on the rail vehicle rather than on the trailers or chassis. The The Rail Runner coupling system is light and can be manufactured into the design of a trailer of any configuration by a licensed builder. To lower the cost of entry, some trailers and chassis can be retrofitted by a licensed builder. Rail Runners are fast and easy to couple and uncouple. The Rail Runner ERV raises the trailer to rail running height. Rail Runner provides a superior air-cushioned, load-sensitive ride. Rail Runner has radial axle steering, which lowers wheel wear and reduces train fuel consumption. The Rail Runner ERVs can be interconnected and pulled or pushed in the terminal. The user can exercise preference in selecting a licensed trailer builder while still enjoying the benefits of Rail Runner technology. Rail Runner also has advantages over piggybacking of trailers or chassis on spine or flat cars. Overhead cranes and forklifts are not required to transfer semi-trailers or chassis from road to rail. Train makeup and breakdown times are significantly reduced. Equipment and terminal costs are lowered. The Rail Runner coupling system provides a slackless connection, eliminating the shock of conventional railroad couplers. Rail Runner has a superior air-cushioned ride. Rail Runner equipped trailers and chassis are exempt from federal excise taxes, which lower equipment costs. At the Transportation Technology Center in Pueblo, Colorado, Rail Runner has passed all trackworthiness tests as defined in Chapter 11 of the Design, Fabrication, and Construction of Freight Cars Manual. Tests were performed with the air springs inflated and with the air springs down using the backup suspension. Using standard Rail Runner equipment, tests were conducted at speeds over 105 miles per hour, and the results confirm stable operation at passenger train speeds. Rail Runner's unique features, speed, simplicity, and versatility make the benefits of intermodal more available than ever before. It's also easier to introduce a new Rail Runner service because low upfront investment in equipment and terminals means lower fixed costs. Take a moment and consider likely candidates for Rail Runner. High volume truck lanes, 200 to 500 miles in length, between ports, major metropolitan areas, and large manufacturing plants or mills. Then let us evaluate together how Rail Runner can bring the benefits of intermodal transportation to your market.